Hello, Grandpa here. Blueberries are in season right now, so today I am going to be making a blueberry omelet. The ingredients I am using are 2 eggs, a bowl full of fresh blueberries, some butter, and farmer's cheese. Here's my frying pan. I'm going to put it on medium heat to heat it up. Put a slab of butter in there. So while my frying pan is heating up, I'm going to beat my eggs. So now we are going to pour our eggs into our frying pan. I'm going to let this cook for a minute, then I'm going to add my blueberries. Now I'm going to add some blueberries. I'm going to let this cook until the egg gets set. I'm making sure that the omelet is not sticking to the frying pan. It should easily slide out. Now I'm going to add farmer's cheese over the top half. You can use any type of cheese you have. If you have farmer's cheese, feta cheese, even American or cheddar. When I fold this over, the heat from the egg will help melt the cheese. The eggs look like they're done, so let's plate this. A few of the blueberries got away. I caught them and put them back on the plate.
Grandpa made this omelet for me for breakfast, but since he loves to do the taste test, I gave him a sliver to try. So Grandpa, how does it taste?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very good, delicious. Fresh blueberries, farmer's cheese. Very good. Hope you enjoy it.
I will. This was a very cheap breakfast during the Great Depression. And for my grandparents, it was great because they had chickens, so they had gotten the eggs, and then they had blueberry bushes where they had picked their fresh blueberries for the recipe. Did you enjoy that, Grandpa?
Yes, I did, Ma.
Very good. I'm happy. Now I could eat my,
Now you can have your breakfast.
Thank you.